So just listening and being. It's beautiful. It's relaxed. And we can enjoy people more in a relaxed state. We can we can enjoy the people we're meeting on dating much more in a relaxed state. You know, I used to go on dates, I'd show up, I'm sure everyone in this room has had this experience, which now seems to me so cruel, but at the time it was normal. You walk into a room to meet somebody for coffee that you've met online, you go, oh my God, how am I going to spend an hour with that person? And I realized that's my opportunity to receive this person. It's my opportunity to sit there as part of my spiritual path, to sit, receive, share, expand my capability for love. We can't find love because we're not loving people. Take that back. We can't find love because the way we've been taught to date is not loving. So we're trying to find love by acting unlovingly. So we go like this. No, 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 no. I don't like how you look. Very unloving, right? We have a checklist. We're not even thinking about the people. We're taught to be very judgmental when we're looking for partners. Judgmental is the opposite of love. So in Tantra, at the ashram, it wasn't like that. It was a laboratory where people were friends first. Just like we decided we'll be practice partners, we're all on a spiritual growth path. If love or sex blossoms out of this, great. That's not my first intention here. And when I started dating like that, which is what my book's about, then it all changed. Then dating was part of my spiritual path, and love could find me because I became loving. But Western dating had taught me to be an unloving person in my search for love. I was very judgmental about how people looked. I was very judgmental about all the things we're supposed to be judgmental about. Money, education, what's your plans for the future, all this kind of stuff. Very judgmental. Ugh, get out of here. Swipe left. And that got me nowhere. In fact, I started hating dating more and more and more and more. It got worse and worse and worse. Then when I could put it with my spiritual path of everyone I meet is an opportunity for me to become a more loving person and expand my own heart and my capability to receive and be with you, love started showing up, started getting closer and closer and closer, and then it arrived. So we're practicing here. Can I just open, relax with you, be with you, enjoy you?